Alright guys, we are going to be doing something a little bit different today. I'm going to be revisiting my old Photopea tutorials and just my old videos in general. And we're going to see if I can do better now. I already know I'm going to cringe, but you know, I think it'd be good content, so let's go ahead and do it. So I got to go to the oldest right now. And we have my oldest tutorial here, the basics of Photopea 7 years ago. I can't believe it's already been 7 years. 47,000 views. I can't believe 47,000 people have seen this awful video. So let's go ahead and start watching it. I already know this video is kind of cringe, but I think it's kind of funny, so let's try it out. Hold on, I gotta get my audio.
So I'd recommend using it.
All right, here we go.
Yo guys, what's going on? CAMBIT here, doing a video
What's up with that?
on freaking designs on Photopea. You know, this website's freaking amazing if you know how to Photoshop.
I like how you can hear
I'd
my
recommend
mechanical
using it.
keyboard so
This
loud.
is not a sponsor, by the way, so yeah, don't.
Not a sponsor, by the way, but I literally, it's my first video. How would it be a sponsor anyway? What?
Freak out. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the really simple stuff. First, background. It's pretty
First
simple.
off, look how different Photopea looks. I just realized. It looks so much different.
You can do different stuff to the background, but I'd rather just
Yeah, I
show
sound
you
like I'm
some of this stuff what
being
it does.
tortured or
Bevel and
something.
Emboss. Just show you some of this stuff what it does.
Like I'm held at gunpoint.
Bevel and Emboss. I personally don't use this one, but there's certain situations that you would use it in, and this is not one of them. So I'll show you what it does though. So yeah, it looks pretty ugly. It kind of makes it like stick out. Stroke.
It's pretty ugly. It kind of makes it stick out. That's the description for bevel and emboss. Even me 4 years ago understood that this was awful. Let's see what people said. Top comments. You sound real nervous. Don't be so hard on yourself. Let's see what I said. I was trying to come up with things to say off the top of my head. I really wasn't nervous. I just didn't know what I was doing. I kind of just started recording. Straight to the point. I don't think it's straight to the point at all, but let's see if there's any OGs. If you guys are an OG to my channel, let me know in the comments. I'm curious who's been here for a while. So let's check out a different video. First off, this thumbnail is not that great. I don't know what I was thinking. It's pretty awful. But I was also kind of new to this, so I just love CAMBIT's voice. It's so serious and simple. I appreciate that. Bro, your sound is nature. It's unique for you. What does that mean? I think I was just monotone.
Basics that will help.
Let's hear it.
Layer.
Is this
So now
sound
I have 2 of these images.
unique
I'm
for me?
Command Z to undo that.
I just
Now-
sound really bored, but I appreciate that. I forgot I used to get a lot of comments like, your voice is like majestical, and even my IRL friends are like, I just watch your videos to go to sleep. I'm like, dude, first off, thanks, I guess. I don't know if that's supposed to be a compliment or a bash, but I mean, you're getting me a view, so whatever. Let's see what else we got here. You know what? This one at the time, I do remember I was like pretty proud of this thumbnail. 17 minutes? 17 minutes for that? I'm sorry, guys. Wait. I just realized I spelled thumbnail wrong. Thumbnail. Come on, what a rookie. What a rookie. See, I have some music here. Like, I used to make music. I guess this is the first thing I made, and then started making like original stuff, which is pretty cool. Like, this one's pretty good. I'm sure these people were like, what is this? This is not a Photopea tutorial. You know, okay, first off, I want to tell you guys something. These thumbnails that look like this, with like the 3D text, you know, it was inspired by someone. I think her name was like Paulina or something. She's really good at thumbnail designs. Like, look at these. Really good. So I took inspiration from that for a little bit, but shout out to Paulina. I don't know, she doesn't make videos anymore, but that's where I got my inspiration from originally. And then I just started doing my own thing. Oh, I did a Photoshop tutorial. Also, fun fact, I made this intro in my animation class at school, and I just went with it. So it's a pretty useful assignment, I would say. Oh, yo, the rice gum thumbnail tutorial. That's insane. Forgot I even made that. Man, it's been so... Oh, wait, look. How to grow on YouTube? I just made one.
Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome.
Let's see what I... Milk content. Milk content's my first point. I guess this is still pretty relevant. I went a little in depth on this one, didn't I? Oh, I forgot about that thumbnail. Or that banner and logo. That was cool. Made that in Cinema 4D or something? It was like some 3D software I was dabbling in for a little bit. I think that's what it was called. It was something like that. This one's pretty good. What? I do not remember this. Oh, probably because it's the most basic design of all time.
I chose the... You can change the...
That's pretty cool though.
And here it is.
Not bad, not bad. I didn't know I made that. This is horrendous. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what I was thinking on that. I made a Patreon? Really? I mean, that's news to me. $5. Yo, guys. Forget about the Patreon. Go ahead and go down here and click on join. This is only $5 versus this 10, and you get everything and more. Look at this. All these badges. Shut up! You get all this stuff, all right? So forget about this Patreon video and become a member. And
Hey guys, what is going on?
shut up! I'd appreciate it a lot. Yeah, you could see like the evolution of my designs and my thumbnails. Like they change. Like this is a theme. This one was a theme. Oh, I did a lot of these. Like themed. Like what am I don't know what I'm talking about. You know what I mean. These. Yeah, look at those. That's what I'm talking about. The winter graphics pack, I forgot I made that. That's pretty cool. Is that even in my playlist? Oh, no, it's not. Let's add that. You know, I had so much fun doing these back in the day, these design competitions. So I'd pretty much give you like some requirements and then...
The best Christmas...
This is a pretty cool thumbnail, I'm not gonna lie. I'd give you some requirements, you could enter in your design and then you'll win something. But back then I had way more engagement than I do now because I took a long break and then my engagement's not as good. But there used to be a lot of people that would enter and it was a good time. So if we ever get back to that kind of engagement, I'll probably start doing those again because it was a lot of fun. Yeah, and then look, you can see the next evolution of my thumbnails. It's wild. It's really wild to see it. All of my experiences come from making videos, believe it or not. I haven't had lessons or learned from anyone. I just kept making tutorials and then I just learned from them. This one, you know, this is what makes me upset. This Roblox video, I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen it. 267,000 views. But it's the only video that got demonetized for some reason. Of course it got demonetized. And I get it, it's not all about the money. But why is my most viewed video demonetized? That would have been helpful. Because of some song. Of course, right? Man,
Welcome back to...
I would have only made like a few bucks, but it's just like so unlucky. I also just remembered another thing that upsets me about this video is like people would watch it and then be like, you didn't show the lines. Like, let's see. It's like at this part right here. They're like, you didn't show how to do the lines, but it says ignore the lines. I'll go over it. I show you how to do it, but like for some reason they feel like I just skipped that part. I literally show it like 2 seconds after. It's like, did you not watch the video? They get to here and they're like, oh my gosh, where'd the lines come from? 5 seconds later, I show how to do it. Plus I even left text that said to wait. So I'm like, I'm so tired of those comments. If you go through this, you'll see a bunch of them. I don't know where they are, but there's so many of them. I'm like, what the heck? Honestly, that's probably all I'm going to do for this video. If you guys want to see more of these, let me know. I just thought it'd be fun to go over the old videos from a long time ago and see how cringe they are. I've definitely gotten better. I feel like my videos are less monotone. And, but yeah, if you enjoyed it, you know what to do. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.